Hello, I am Ashiqur Rahaman. I am an web analytics expert. In this video, we will learn how we can install a Google Tag Manager on a WordPress website. So, this is our website, and we want to install Google Tag Manager in this website, and we will later check this that it is working fine or not. So, for that, we have to create a Google Tag Manager account. So, let's go to Google Tag Manager. So this is the website tagmanager.google.com. It is loading now. uh, Click create account, then we have to put our website name. Let's click account name and input your name like shopping website. Okay, now input our website URL, remove the https, and it is a website, so click web, then click create. We have to accept terms, then click yes. We have successfully created our Google Tag Manager account. Close this now. Here you can see a tag ID. So this is a tag ID that we will need to install the Google Tag Manager in WordPress. So at first, let's go to the dashboard of our WordPress website. Now we have to install a plugin. So go to plugins and click add new plugin. Here you have to search GTM. After searching, you can see GTM4 WP. You have to search this plugin and install it. Now click activate. We have done. So here in the um, settings, you can see a Google Tag Manager button or link. You have to click there and come to our Google Tag Manager dashboard and copy this ID. Select it and copy it. If you click on this, then you also find the ID here. So we can copy this from here also. Copy it, close this, and go to our WordPress dashboard. And here in the Google Tag Manager ID, we have to put this our Google Tag Manager ID. We are done. So here we have to turn this on and leave this as it is and click save changes. At first it is off, so we have to turn this on again and click save changes. We have successfully installed. Now check this if it is working. So for that, we have to preview our dashboard. So click preview and input our website address. So copy it, click connect. This is a tools by Google Tag Manager. It will show you if our implementation is working or not. So we can see that the tag assistant is connected, and here we can see our website is loading and the tag manager is also installed. By this message we can see that our website is working. Here in these details you can see container details, shop.skillspark.online, our website address, and here it is our container ID. So there is on another method to check that if it is working or not. Here is a tag sorry Chrome extension we have to just click enable and visit any page, then it will show the id. Here you can see the tag id. So that means our website is working perfectly. If we go to here, then you can see our tag id is same as here showing. So this is how you can install Google Tag Manager in your WordPress. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you in another video.